Good morning. So we are continuing the lesson test and measurement, and the topic we will discuss today, that is the procedure of anthropometric measurement of height, weight, arm and leg length and skin pore. So what is anthropometry? Anthropos means man and metron means measure. So it refers to the measurements of human individuals. So anthropos means man and metron means measure. It refers to the measurements of human individual. The study of anthropometry is the study of human body measurement to assist in understanding human physical variation. So these measurements of height, weight and arm, leg length and skin fold are considered accurate. Data collected enable to know the physical growth and development, health problems such as overweight or underweight, comparison of height, etc. So anthropometry includes the measurement of height, measurement of weight, measurement of arm length, measurement of leg length and measurement of skin fold. As it is very common, we know the measurement of height, it is measured to check the height of individual. Measurement of weight is used to check the body weight by weighing machine. Measurement of arm length, in which we check the length of the arm. Measurement of leg length, in which we check the length of leg. And measurement of skin fold, in which check the fat percentage of the body, how much fat one's body has. So anthropometric measurements of height. Procedure of measurement of height is here. So height should be measured by stadiometer. So there is the in picture we can see stadiometer is there. It is a rigid scale is there in a standing position and fixed with a base, and in this there is measuring tape is there and measuring scale is marked in this scale, and one of the adjuster is there wherever the height is there we adjust this caliper. So it is measured by the stadiometer. Floor should be hard. These are the procedures, and one should stand with back to the height rule. One should remove shoes, socks and jacket or heavy clothes if any. Arm at side, knees and back straight. Headboard should be horizontal to the height rule. The height ruler is there. With the height ruler, the head adjuster, that is the caliper of head adjuster, that should be kept horizontal. So this is the procedure of measuring the height. So wherever the adjuster is there, that height is marked, it is noted down, and the height can be measured in centimeter, meter or feet by the stadiometer. Now the procedure of measuring weight. So anthropometric measurements of measuring the weight. Weighing machine should be placed on hard horizontal surface. One should remove heavy clothes, shoes before taking the weight. One should stand in the center of the platform and balance. And during we are measuring height over the weighing machine, we are not supposed to touch anything because the weight can be shifted. And we should balance without touching any article at the center of the weighing machine. And body should be straight. And normally we have to understand without pressing the weighing machine. Check the balance of machine and pointer should be at 0 while we are before standing over the weighing machine. Adjust the pointer perfectly if the pointer is not at 0. So various type of weighing machines are there, so in which we can adjust the pointer first. So very less clothing should be there in our body, and weight should be always measured empty bowels. Empty bowels means empty stomach, because whatever we are eating or drinking, that also increase the weight. Because suppose we are drinking 1 liter water before taking the weight, so that weight will be increased. So mostly it is preferred that when we are taking the weight, so the person should be empty bowel, empty stomach, and there should be less clothing or light clothing over the body. And person should make balance at the center of the weighing machine without touching any article while measuring the weight. Then measuring the leg length, the arm length. Anthropometric measurements of arm length, the procedure of measuring of arm length, measured by flexible steel tape. It is measured by the flexible steel tape. The subject stands with the arm hanging loosely by the side of the body, fingers stretched. A measurement is made from the tip of acromion process, bony tip of shoulders bone, scapula. That is acromion process is known as from tip of the bone to the tip of the finger. So, and extended the tip of the olecranon process, bony part of the outer elbow. So this way the in picture we can see we are measuring. The first picture we can see the both lines are there, horizontal lines we can see. This is showing the from where we are measuring. And second picture again we can see how we are measuring from the bony part of the shoulder scapula and then bony part of the outer elbow. So this is the procedure of measuring the arm length. Now anthropometric measurements of the upper leg length. Procedure of measurement of leg length. So it is measured by the flexible steel tape from the bottom outside of the center of foot to the upper edge of greater trochanter, that is the anatomical part of the femur connecting to the hip bone. The trochanters are joint at which hip and thigh muscles attached. The greater trochanter gives attachment to a number of muscles. In this diagram we can see from where we are measuring from the anatomical part of the femur connecting to the hip bone, and to the thigh muscles attached. So we are measuring this length from the, this is for upper leg, so this is from thigh, the thigh region, from the hip jointer to the knee. So this is the length also measured by the steel tape. So upper bone we can see, that is the femur, longest bone. The procedure we will see here. Procedure of measurement of upper leg length. The subject is made to sit on the box with the right knee bent at 90-degree angle. That previous picture we have seen. This we can see the 90-degree angle. The person is sitting over the box with the 90-degree angle of the thigh bone. Then sitting up straight, place 0 at the inguinal crease between the torso and the thighs, just below the anterior superior iliac spine, ASIS, that is anterior superior iliac spine. The anterior superior iliac spine is located on the front of the hip on either side. Lift the thigh slightly of the box and extend the tape to the proximal border of patella, that is the knee. Patella is over the knee. So this way the length of upper leg is measured from the end point of the femur at the thigh to the scapula, the patella. So to the patella, that is the over the knee. So we are measuring this length this way, the length of upper leg. Then we will come to the anthropometric measurement of skin fold. Skin fold procedure of measurement of skin fold. Skin fold measures for body composition and body fat assessment. So this is to check the composition of body fat or the body fat percentage. The skin fold estimation method are based on the skin fold test, also known as pinch test, whereby a pinch of skin is precisely measured by calipers at several standardized points on the body to determine subcutaneous fat layer thickness. Because whenever we press the skin by 2 fingers, we can try to hold the skin, so then the fold of skin comes in hand. So there are caliper are there in this picture. We can see the caliper is there by which we are holding this. We are holding this skin fold, and this will tell by the tell the measurement, which is in the form of scale is here. So there is a spring in between these two arms of the caliper, by which whatever the skin fold is there, it increases. So the subcutaneous fat layer thickness. The subcutaneous tissues is the innermost layer of skin. It is primarily made up of fat that help insulate your body. So this way the skin fold measurement is checked by the caliper, skin fold caliper. It is known as the measurement is done by the skin fold caliper. The procedure, we will see anthropometric measurements of the skin fold, the procedure of measurement of skin fold. Skin measurement is difficult as compressibility of skin. The compressibility of the skin decides the measurement of the skin, because sometimes we have seen in case of the muscular body, the fat percentage skin fold is very difficult to check. Some of the body part, the skin fold is very difficult to check. Adipose tissues specialized, these are the fat tissues. Adipose tissues specialized connective tissues that functions as the major storage of fat. These adipose tissues are the maximum, they store the fat cells, differ with age and hydration and size of the body and extra. Extra things are there, like sometime, as we have discussed, the body type is there, the age is there, the hydration of body is there, and size of the body is there. So different factors are there which affect the adipose tissues. Skin fold measurement should not be taken when the skin is wet or after exercise. Skin should be grasped firmly with thumb and index finger of left arm and pull away from the body. Skin fold should be parallel, like in this picture we can see. It should be grasped by the thumb and index finger. This way we are holding the skin fold. Skin fold should be parallel. Measurement should be taken on the right side of the body. Further, we can see the estimation of body fat by skin fold thickness measurement. Measurement can use from 3 to 9 different standard anatomical sites around the body. The tester pinches the skin at the appropriate site to raise a double layer of skin and the underlying adipose tissues, but not the muscles, because the skin fold should be in which we are holding just only the skin layer, not the muscle, because muscles are little harder than the skin. The caliper are then applied 1 centimeter below and at right angle to the pinch. That pinch which we have hold it by the finger, we are putting, then applying the caliper, and a reading in millimeters taken 2 seconds later. 2 seconds we hold it and then we take the reading whatever the caliper is showing. So equipment is required, that is known as skin fold calipers. So this is the skin fold caliper. we can see. Further, we can see here the sides of skin fold measurement. There are many common sites at which skin fold pinch can be taken. The 5 main skin fold sites are triceps, subscapula, superiliac, abdomen, and thighs. For the accurate anthropometric measurement, the marking should be done. So this we can see how we are measuring the skin fold. So any site wherever we can see, then there is the skin fold can be pinched by the thumb and index finger. So the skin fold can be measured. It tells us about the body fat percentage. The subscapula, that skin fold we will see here. Triceps we know, then biceps and triceps, arm muscles are there. So scapula, subscapula, we will see here. Subscapular skin fold, diagonal fold, located 1 to 2 centimeter below the inferior angle of the scapula, the bottom of the shoulder blade. Mostly the fat deposition takes place when there is the fat is excess in the body. So excess fat deposition takes place in these parts of the body. In the picture we can see triceps skin fold, we will see here. Triceps skin fold, vertical fold it is. Located on the posterior midline of the upper arm. Measure halfway between the acromion, bony point of the shoulder, and orecranon process, bony point of the elbow. Arm held freely to the side of the body. This is tricep skin fold measurement. We can see in the picture here. Then suprailiac skin fold. Suprailiac we can see here. This is also the diagonal fold. Located 1 centimeter above the anterior superior iliac crest, top of the hip bone. Locating this landmark may acquire you to poke firmly through thick subcutaneous layer of fat to find the bone underneath. So this is the just above the thigh, at the waist region we can see suprailiac skin fold. Just at the side of the waist, above the hip region, hip bone. Another one we will see abdomen, skin fold at the side of the abdomen. vertical, it is vertical modern technique, 2 centimeter to 1 inch to the right side of the umbilicus, horizontal fold, that is traditional technique, 2 centimeter to the right side of the umbilicus. This we will see. The skin fold is checked. This vertical and horizontally we can check. This way, this is we can see in the picture. Skin fold of thigh. This is the vertical fold, anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of patella, upper knee, and the inguinal crease of the hip. That we will see here in the measurement. By the caliper it is being checked. So this is all about the anthropometric measurements of height, weight, arm length, leg length, and skin fold. Various common sites of the skin fold we have discussed here, and any other parts of the skin fold, there is the fat in the body, so it can be checked by the help of skin fold caliper. So we will come with the another video, another topic in the next video.